Hi you guys, hello and welcome back to my channel Bhubaneswari Padhi. I'm so grateful that I have caught your eyes and you have visited my video. So if you want to see more of my videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon that is beside the subscribe button so that you will be notified and updated about all my new videos and updates. So saying that, let's continue with today's video. So, guys, who doesn't love that good natural range of products, something that is derived from like nature and all of that, and which is very healthy for our skin, hair, and all those. So, guys, if I remember about my childhood days, I remember how I used to visit my nanny's house and how my grandfather used to make everything naturally, like he never wanted me to apply any kind of chemicals or all of that into my skin or hair. So he always used to like make those natural sandalwood paste, and would apply to my face for glowing skin, because even sandalwood are so good, like even like small children can apply. And he used to make so much of those natural ingredient things and jadi booty wala oil for my hair as well. So guys, but during these days now, when we grow up, we don't have time and we don't have the energy left as well to make those things. So to make it simple for us but still keeping it as pure as the love of our grandparents, and with the help of the nature, Mother's Pass has introduced some new range of products which I have received. I'm so grateful for the brand and the team that they have sent me these products. This made me feel so nostalgic, and so I wanted to make this video dedicated to them and to show you guys how helpful these oils and these products are. So let's continue with this video, and in this video I will be also showing you how I have applied the products. And this is the after result of the hair. My hair is very curly, you guys, but still these products didn't made it frizzy, because for curly hairs now we have to choose our products very wisely, else the length partner it will get frizzy. But as you can see, my hair is not frizzy at all. I haven't applied any serum, by the way, because you can see if I will apply the serum, it will give me a natural shine, which is not now the shine is not now, but if I apply the serum, you can see the shine. Okay, so I haven't applied anything because I wanted to give you a raw present of what my hair looks after the hair wash and after using these products. Okay, so now let's continue with one by one product so that I will be showing you what product I have received for this range. So I have four products basically, and all the products are from the onion range. Now we all know onions are so good for our hair, and I remember whenever I say someone that I have like hair fall and my hair is thinning, so everyone will suggest you the same thing. Apply onions to your hair, apply onion, like cut the onion into half and apply it, massage it to your scalp and all of that. But we don't have time, and so we skip these things. But now that Mother's Pass has did all the hard work for us, we just have to take out the product and apply it to our hair and scalp and the length directly, as we usually do with our normal hair oil and shampoo and conditioner. So now let's start with today's video without saying much, like with the products. Let's start. So I have received the first product is onion hair oil with raw onion concentrate, which controls hair fall and stimulates scalp. All the products are meant to reduce your hair fall, to give nourishment and strengthen your hair, like hair quality, we can say. So this is it. This is the onion hair oil. You can apply it to your scalp. You can give a nice chumpy or head massage, and you can also apply it to your length, so that if your hair has gotten very dry, dull and frizzy because of the season as well and because of the pollution these days, then it will again help retain you the same thing that you had. So this is the onion hair oil. And the next product that I have received is this, the onion hair rust. And this one is the scalp treatment, which has redensyl 2% and again 1% aniseline 2% and pure onion rust. And this one will help in controlling hair fall and promotes hair growth. Now we all know thinning of hair means that our hair will not, the follicles will not like stimulate new hairs. So with this, If you have to apply this only to your hair scalp and not to the length, so you have to apply it to your hair scalp and give it a good massage. You can also keep it for 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, or you can keep it overnight as well, so that it will go deeply into your hair scalp and to the roots and will stimulate new hair growth. So with this you can notice new hair growth but with consistency. Okay, it's not like you will use the product once and you can totally see the results or any kind of new changes. It won't work like that. You have to use it consistently to see the results. Okay, so now this is the onion hair rust that I was talking to, and with this you will be also getting a dropper. So this is the dropper that we will be getting, and you can take out the product using the dropper and you can like apply it to the scalp, which makes the thing so easy. Application is so easy with the dropper, and the dropper is totally free. So the next product that I have received is the onion hair shampoo. So this is the shampoo that I have received. Again, this helps in controlling hair fall and stimulates scalp. So this is a very nice hair fall shampoo, anti hair fall shampoo, and this also helps in this I think doesn't have any kind of chemicals, so you won't find your hair getting lathered up lot. So you might, like if you're applying oil, you might have to wash your hair 2 to 3 times. It might not have that much of lather, but once you rinse it now, you can feel that your hair is completely like clean. So this happens with most of you people, that you if you feel na your hair, like your shampoo is not able to lather, we feel that this shampoo is not working for us. It is not so, guys. With natural ingredients, the lather will be less, but the effects will be very nice and will be lasting a lot. Okay, so the last product and the final product I have is this one, the onion hair conditioner with raw onion concentrate. Again, this one helps for controls hair fall and stimulates scalp. So this one you have to apply it to your length. Don't apply the conditioner to your scalp, so that like the length we apply, because we want smooth and silky hairs. That's why. So these are the product, guys. Now let's see how I have used it, and you can see how my hair was and how my hair is now. So you can compare the difference and all of that, and you can decide for yourself. So guys, I have applied the onion hair rust and the onion hair oil both, and after I will keep this for overnight, and tomorrow morning I will rinse it off using the Mother Sparsh onion shampoo with raw onion concentrate, and I will also use Mother Sparsh onion conditioner with raw onion concentrate. So I will use the two products again and will rinse it off, and I will be back to you guys showing how my hair feels after using these products. So bye. Guys, I have used the shampoo and conditioner as I have said earlier, and this is how my hair looks as I have shown you earlier as well. So I felt so good after using the products. Because these are products that are derived from nature, and these are onion products, so this might have a onion smell. So if you don't like it, then I cannot say, but other than that, these are very nice products, so you can go ahead and purchase it. So these were my reviews. I hope this video was helpful for all of you guys, and I hope this will be beneficial for you, and you will go and check out the products as well. So guys, do check out the products and let me know your feedback if you have already used Mother's Past products, any of the products. And till then, bye. I will see you in my next video, and a happy new year to all of you guys in advance. So bye, take care, keep the party on.